Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your TradingView. First, navigate to the TradingView website and create a free account. This allows you to save all your personalized settings and chart layouts. Next, select your preferred chart type, such as candlesticks, for clear price action visualization. Finally, choose a suitable time frame, like 1 hour or 1 day, to begin your analysis. Now, let's personalize your charts. You can easily adjust the chart's appearance, including colors and background, to match your preferences. Then, explore the extensive library of indicators, adding those that best support your analysis of market trends. Remember to save your customized chart layout, ensuring quick access to your preferred setup for future trading sessions. Next, discover powerful tools to enhance your analysis. Utilize drawing tools such as trend lines and Fibonacci retracements to identify key levels. Create personalized watch lists to efficiently monitor your favorite stocks or other assets. Additionally, set up price alerts to receive timely notifications about significant market movements, keeping you informed without constant screen time. Finally, unlock advanced functionalities to optimize your trading workflow. Explore multi-chart layouts, allowing you to compare different assets simultaneously. Utilize the replay function to effectively backtest your trading strategies with historical data. For seamless execution, consider connecting your broker directly to the platform, enabling you to place trades with ease and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.